What's up, guys? You got Eric, you got Paul here, and you're wanting to know what the heck is a penetration and why does the boot matter? I just go dancing in my boots normally. Well, today we're going to talk about your roof boots, and it's a very important topic. But first, let's say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
2021, it's going to be exciting. It's going to be full of new adventures. And first off, let's talk about your roof and the penetrations. And nothing more to say about this guy. This is just garbage. It's plastic. It's a boot. And unless you're playing like dolls, you should not wear plastic boots. So let's just get rid of that one. So these guys are your most common two boots, wouldn't you say, Paul?
Yeah. So I want to talk about that one that's on.
That's now garbage?
The garbage. So that one is a plastic boot.
Yeah.
It goes around the pipe penetrations. That particular plastic pipe vent usually is installed by like a common builder. You know, it's builder grade.
Like new neighborhoods, cookie cutters.
Right. I see those. They come apart so easy.
They crack from the heat.
They crack. They're plastic. Nails start popping up. So, well, that's why it's over there. So
yeah. So now one step up is going to be your metal with a rubber grommet around it. People call it a boot. People call it a flange. And then you have your top tiered, would you say, is going to be your lead boots, which is a solid piece versus a two-piece component. So you as a homeowner, you want to make sure that your roofing system is not failing, that the roofing system is working as one, and this right here is part of your roofing system. So what I mean by that is this goes over your pipe. It's going to seal up around the pipe with this rubber seal here, which is perfectly fine right now because it's brand new.
Yep.
But I would say, what would you think? The lifespan of something like this is about 6 to 8 years, more or less, maybe even less, depending on where you're at in Texas.
So in this one, I always recommend my customers to have their roof maintenanced every 2 years. And then we're going to come and look at all this, and if we have to seal around it, we can.
Because this is going to be the first to go right here. This is rubber, and then this is the metal. And they're sealed together, of course, at the manufacturer. They seal them here. But when you install these, you're nailing them to the roof. You're putting holes here. So typically either 2 or 3 on the nail pattern, and then you should run a bead of sealant around this as well, underneath as well. So there are a couple of things that we do to take precaution from water entering your home with this boot. However, it's not going to be something that's going to be the longevity as compared to a lead pipe here, because you're dealing with 2 components versus one solid piece of a boot, you know?
Yep.
And so, Paul, you can kind of tell us a little bit about the lead boot and the pros and cons to that.
So this is a lead boot. This boot is a lot heavier. I mean, it's lead.
Yeah.
So I like to call it, like a lot of the guys, they call it, like, I don't know if you watch Netflix, but they call it, plomo or plata or something like that, right?
Yeah, I've seen that.
So so this is lead, you know, it's heavy, it's pliable, it's really, really good. It's all one piece. Obviously they solder it here where it connects, but this is gonna go over the pipe, and then it's gonna tuck inside of that PVC pipe.
Correct.
So it's one piece, and there's not any rubber or grommet or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's all like super durable lead on this pipe.
It'll last forever.
This one will last for a long time.
Yeah.
This one will not have any, the sun's not gonna beat down on this and tear it apart. The rain is basically gonna divert off of it. This is probably the best way to go. If you have a good roofing system and you wanna go with an upgraded lead boot like this, this is what I would choose for my home.
If you're gonna put a roof on your mother's house, you're gonna want to put those on versus this.
True.
Right? Yeah. So I mean, there you go. You as a homeowner, you want to know and feel good that no matter what, water's not gonna get in. And guys, this rubber is keeping water out of your home. What's gonna happen when this rubber gets dry, brittle, and cracked? Here, you don't have that problem. So there is what a lead boot is. Comment down below. Let us know your comments, what you think and what questions you might have. And if you aren't already, guys, click that subscribe button. Let us know what you'd like to see from us, because if you're getting a roof from Texas Family Roofing in 2021, We're going to be putting these lead boots, and we're not going dancing. We're going to be putting these on every single roofing system from here on out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.